It is important to set up the machining center safely and efficiently. Safety is the most important consideration when using a machining center. Safety checklist. Emergency stop. Test button for immediate halt O5S response. Safety interlocks. Confirm doors and interlocks halt operation when opened. Fire system. Verify extinguisher pressure is safe and system is charged. Essential safety practices include wearing ANSI-approved eyewear and hearing protection, securing loose clothing or hair, and ensuring adequate ventilation against fumes. Comprehensive inspection process for machining centers. Key maintenance checks. Guide rail lubrication. Check with special gauge. Maintain oil level 66 of tank volume. Coolant management. Monitor level, maintain 5/8 concentration, and replace every 400 hours or if precipitation occurs. Ensure compressed air pressure is 507 MPa and drain the tank daily. For the hydraulic system, check for leaks, confirm pressure stability fluctuation 005 MPa, and verify oil purity particles NUS8. Standardized processes for machining center startup. After switching on the main power, wait for the CNC self-test 2 minutes to complete. If an alarm code appears, record it, for example, E101 E205. Consult the fault code manual, and contact maintenance for unresolved issues. After the safe homing sequence prioritizing Z-axis, then X or Y. Verify coordinate accuracy using a micrometer, ensuring all axis offsets are within the allowable deviation of 0.01 mm per ISO standard. Precision tool and workpiece setting of machining center. Standardized processes to ensure machining accuracy and operational safety. First, the calibration of the precision tool system. Using a 3D calibrator, verify tool length 0.005 mm and diameter 0.002 mm. Then in CNC, enable length G43 and radius G41 G40 to compensation. Before a 50-speed dry run to check for fixture interference. The next is the technical specification for clamping precision workpieces. Fixture and accuracy guidelines. Selection. Match workpiece to fixture, for example, vacuum 60 kPa for thin walls. Hydraulic vise 8 kN for heavy parts. Positioning. Use laser assistance to control flatness 0.003 mm and parallelism 0.005 mm 100 mm. The following is the final checklist for the pre-start inspection of the machining center. Emergency stop functionality verified. Lubrication and coolant levels adequate. Air and hydraulic pressures within specifications. Workpiece securely clamped and properly aligned. Tool and work offsets correctly set. CNC program validated and dry run completed.